Students, Dear students, in this video, we will learn about no load and block rotor test on 3-phase induction motor. First, we will discuss about experiment aim. To conduct no load and block rotor tests on a given 3-phase induction motor, to draw the circuit diagram and equivalent circuit. So, to conduct these experiments, we need operators are required. Some operators are required. So, those operators are voltmeter 0 to 500 volt, 0 to 50 volts, MI type, both 1 voltmeter is required. So, 0 to 500 1 voltmeter, 0 to 50 voltmeter 1, and ammeter 0 to 5 or 10 amperes MI type ammeter is required. So, 2 ammeters are required. Next one, wattmeters, UPF wattmeter and LPF wattmeter is required. So, the readings are 10 amperes to 500 volts, 10 amperes to 75 volts. So, each 2 is required. Connecting wires as required. Okay. So, now we will move to the circuit diagram of the experiment. So, circuit diagram or connection diagram as shown in this figure. According to this diagram, we will connect voltmeters, ammeters, wattmeters in the circuit. Coming to the procedure of this experiment, first open circuit test. So, in this test, connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Keep the 3-phase auto transformer voltage in 0 output position. The supply switch S1 is closed. By varying the 3-phase auto transformer, the rated voltage of 3-phase induction motor is applied. All the meters readings are noted down. To stop the motor, the 3-phase auto transformer is brought back to its initial 0 output position. To stop the motor, 3-phase auto transformer is brought back to its initial 0 output position. The supply switch S1 is opened. So, this is the procedure for open circuit test or OC test. Now, coming to the block rotor test, we can also call short circuit or SC test. So, according to this test, the procedure is connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. The breakdown of this induction motor is blocked from rotation by tightening the belt. So, belt we will tighten and will block the rotor. By keeping the 3-phase auto transformer voltage in 0 output position, by keeping the 3-phase auto transformer voltage in 0 output position, the switch S1 is closed. By operating the 3-phase auto transformer very slowly, low voltage is applied such that the induction motor reads the rated current of rated current. So, rated current will reads by stator winding. All the meter readings are noted down. To stop the motor, the 3-phase auto transformer is brought back to its 0 initial output position, loosening the belt of the breakdown, and finally, so we need to open the supply switch S1. So, now we will see the experiment demonstration. So, connections are done as per the circuit diagram. Now, supply switch is on. After supply switch, we need to switch on the DOL starter, adjust the 3-phase auto transformer up to rated voltage. Rated voltage we can check in voltmeter. So, rated voltage, so we have to apply using the 3-phase auto transformer. So, now we can check voltmeter is rated voltage. Note down the ammeter, wattmeter, so wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2 readings, and speed we can measure by using the tachometer. So, this is a no load test. So, in no load test we need to remove this belt. So, motor is rotating. Now, so note down readings, so we have to note down. Next one, for the block rotor test, so we need to block the rotor and switch on the supply, switch on the DOL starter, adjust the 3-phase auto transformer up to ammeter reads rated current. So, up to motor rated current. So, rated current we need to adjust. Now, note down the voltmeter, ammeter readings. So after taking the readings, bring back the auto transformer to zero position and release the load on the induction motor, switch off the main supply. So this is the procedure for the OC test and SC test. Now we can see the tabular column of OC test and SC test. So these are the readings we got from the experiment. According to these readings, so we need to calculate the circuit diagram. So this is a procedure for calculating the circuit diagram. So these formulas we will use to calculate the output power, torque, efficiency. So using those values, we need to draw the circuit diagram. This is the model circuit diagram. So this is a real circuit diagram. What we got the values, according to that we got the circuit diagram. So finally, result of the experiment, hence determine circuit diagram of 3-phase induction motor by OC and block rotor test. Okay. So finally, Viva questions. So these 8 questions, 8 Viva questions are important. So these questions we can expect from this experiment. So thank you everyone.